Hey guys, we are back here at the MIAS 2026. It's Saturday. This is the third day and I wanted to get a closer look at the BYD Lion 7 because last time we were here, day 1, medyo madilim, di ba? Medyo hindi ganun kaganda yung mga photos na nakuha natin. So, this is the same car and look at this. Mukhang stone gray pala to, no? And but the paint is a little bit different. Medyo may pagka multiple tone siya eh. Parang may pagka chameleon. I can see some purple, blue, parang pearl, something like that. Hindi siya yung typical na stone gray na nakikita natin. And wala pa tayong official specs nito, no? Wala pang brochure or just even mga basic specs, wala. And the price, wala pa. So I'll just make a quick impression, no? And since this is the Lion 7 and parang napakalapit niya sa Lion 6, so we'll just do a quick comparison and I'll just share with you some of my observations. Okay, number 1, maganda yung parehong parang horizontal LED headlamps, no? Same as the Lion 6, pero yung housing ng ilaw niya this is more singkit, no? Mas manipis, mas aggressive, mas galit, and it's more swept backward, ganyan. Kasi yung Lion 6 mga hanggang dito lang siya, right? Ayan, guwapo. And meron ka pa ring DRL, and then meron ka ditong functional na air, what do you call this? Air dam, air diffuser. Ayan, butas yan, butas. So it's functional, right? And meron pang very aggressive na front grille. And the overall design, mas aggressive yung mukha niya, yung mga lines niya, ayun, right? And then if you look at the side profile of the front, yung nguso niya, yung Lion 6 medyo mababang ganun, siya mas malaki and mas bilog, kaya mas guwapo, mas maangas. Look at that. And then dito naman sa side profile, mas bigger yung mga ano niya, no? What do you call this? Yung mga fender flares. This one, this is thicker. And then, wow, look at the tires. It's Michelin Pilot Sport, and mas malaki to. This is 245 45 20. The Lion 6 is 235 50 19. Very aggressive. Pero napansin ko, parang mas malaki yung fender gap niya. Let's look at the rear tire. Ayan, no, mas mataas dito, no? Look at the fender gap. Malaki. Baka mamaya adjustable yung suspension nito. Wow, ang sarap nun. Now, let's check this ground clearance. Parang hindi masyadong nalalayo. Probably about the same lang kay Panchita, no? And ayun, yung mga door handles niya is yung hidden. The same folding side mirrors, and then andyan yung 360 camera. Black yung trim niya dito, no, sa mga windows ng mga doors all the way dun sa likod. And walang roof rail. Yeah, wala siyang roof rail. Bawal pumasok dyan, no? Kaya dito lang tayo, outside this perimeter. So looking at the rear, dito rin naman sa rear, mas bilog siya. Diba ang Lion 6 squarish yung angular yung likod, diba? Like yung tail lights niya, may kanto dito, and then may kanto rin dyan. This one is more curved. And look at the butt, mas umbok, no? And mas nakaslope yung rear window. Ayan. So meron pa rin naman siyang rear spoiler, which is more aggressive. Ayan, nice, guwapo, no? Look at that. Yun, maganda rin yung taillight niya, may parang aluminum sa loob. Guwapo. So it says here EV all-wheel drive, and then here it says Lion 7 4.5S, which means 4.5 seconds. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. Tulin, grabe. And look at this, merong charging port sa kanan. Di ba yung C-Line 6 yung charging port nasa left? Kasi, eto, anong meron sa kaliwa? Wala. Kasi, this is a full EV. Di ba? Ayan nga, EV. So, wala tong gas engine. Kaya isa lang ang opening dun sa kanan. And this is for charging the battery. So, ang alam ko, dual motor to. So, I'm expecting malaki ang battery niya, no? Well, alam naman natin yung specs sa China, pero sometimes nagbabago pagdating dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi natin alam pa until BYD releases the official specs, no? But gwapo. Sabi, ang narinig ko, ang price daw nito is mga around 2.5 to 2.6 M. Pwede, no? And then silipin natin sa loob. Like I said, bawal tumawid. Ang pwede lang dyan sumakay or pumasok si Alden Richards. So silipin na lang natin through the window. Maganda ang bucket seat. I like the headrest. Ayan, maganda yung design. It's all black. All black, ano? Yeah, all black. And then yung headliner niya, yeah, it's black. I like it. Guys, yung nakikita yung blue lines dyan, ha? Hindi yan ambient light. Reflection yan ng ilaw dito. Okay, and then ano bang meron? Steering wheel, the big screen. Yung big screen niya parang hindi siya 15.6. Parang feeling ko maliit ng konti, no? Parang ano to, baka mga 14 lang to. And then ayun, nasisilip ko yung audio niya. Yung brand ng speakers is DIN Audio. Ayan, we learned from our mistake before, ano? Yung isa nating vlog, kinorek tayo ng mga viewers natin. This is not Dyna Audio, it's DIN Audio. Dinidikit kasi natin yung DYN tsaka yung A, which is for audio. So, hindi Dyna Audio kasi parang ATM machine. Mali yun, di ba? So, we learn from other people. Anyway, another correction. Yung charging port nga pala ng C-Line 6 is also on the right side. So, same as the C-Line 7. Ang nasa left pala is for the fuel, ano? Pag magkakaroon ka ng fuel. So, another correction. Ayan guys, abangan na lang natin. Abangan natin yung ano nito, official launching and official release ng mga specs niya. Very exciting. Very exciting. So if you guys have time, habol pa kayo. Nandito pa to tomorrow, Sunday. See you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.